Hi everyone, and welcome back to AI Product Talk. Today, we're tackling one of the most talked about terms in tech right now, generative AI. You've heard the buzz, but what does it actually mean for product managers and creators? Let's break it down. Don't confuse generative AI with predictive AI. Predictive AI is like an analyst. It looks at existing data to predict a future outcome like your Netflix recommendations or YouTube feed. Generative AI, however, is the creator. It doesn't just analyze, it produces something entirely new that didn't exist before. At its core, generative AI uses machine learning models to learn the underlying patterns and structure of a massive dataset. Once it understands those patterns, whether it's the structure of a sentence or the brushstrokes of a painting, it uses that knowledge to generate new, original content like text, images, code, or even music, all based on a simple prompt from you. Think about a marketing team. In the past, creating a unique campaign image required a set of images and a powerful editing tool. With generative AI, you can input a text description, and the AI generates multiple different high-quality visuals in seconds. It's a massive shift from searching for the right asset to creating the right asset instantly. Generative AI is shifting the boundary of what machines can do, from analyzing the world to helping us build it. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the subscribe button for more AI product talk. I'll see you in the next one.